Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax return step by step, updated. First, determine your filing status and whether you qualify for credits. Next, choose between standard deduction or itemizing, and note common credits like the child tax credit. Also decide if you will use software, a tax pro, or paper filing. Keep paperwork organized and back up digital copies for safekeeping before moving to the next steps. Now collect every document that shows income, deductions, or tax credits so you are prepared. Look for W-2s, Form 1099s, mortgage interest statements, and receipts for deductible expenses such as charity and medical costs. Make sure your Social Security number and bank account details are accurate for refunds. Scan or photograph documents for digital backup, and keep originals organized in a folder to simplify the filing process when you sit down to complete your return. Pick a filing method that matches your comfort level and tax complexity to save time and money. Software is great for straightforward returns and often guides you to credits like the Earned Income Credit. A tax pro helps with complex situations like business income or multiple state filings. If cost is a concern, check free IRS e-file options. Whichever path you choose, review entries carefully and keep confirmation numbers after you submit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.